for the studio. Hopefully it works. Nah, I know it works, but I gotta check every little thing on it. I just texted him.
You should trade it, bro.
Pull it.
Bro, that shit heavy.
It's heavy?
Yeah, that shit heavy.
I'm like, pick that shit up. It ain't like the jet ski trailer, huh? Yo, I can't see shit. Can't wait till we put that shit in the back. I ain't gonna lie though, I'm scared of the way back. Driving with jet skis is easy, but driving with a fucking vending machine on a trailer like this, I don't know. I feel like the weight or something. On the street, I don't give a fuck, but on the highway, you crazy. Spooking. Good? Let me tell you something. I had no idea vending machines weigh like that. Holy shit. We almost gave up for like a quick second.
No, I wasn't gonna give up.
I was about to say, fuck that, we coming back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'm like...
Nah, I was already on Walmart looking for a different type of dollies to buy. I was gonna go to Walmart right quick. Go buy some more wheels. That little wood car stood tall. You left it in the grass or we brought it?
Oh, yeah, no.
I thought that shit was gonna break. I thought that shit was gonna bust. See why it's always good to have a work truck? It can come in handy. DIY. I'm kind of taking a risk on the machine because we can't fully test it without coins and shit, but this bitch looks stupid clean. So if something don't work, I'm sure I'll figure it out, fix it. And the attachment, I ain't even know he had this. I gave him more money when I got here. Originally on offerup, somebody was selling both, and I offered him bread. He wanted 29. I was like 23. He's like, you're getting close, this and that. I was like, bro, I'm not going more up. This guy gave me this one for 18 plus this. He wanted 6. I told him I'll give you 4 right now. That's 24. I mean 22. I'm tripping. 22. So I end up winning. We needed extra shit for like blunts and vapes and all the other stuff. You feel me? I'm gonna put USBs. I'm gonna put a bunch of shit. I'm gonna put chargers. Now I was gonna put a bag with what the fuck was I gonna put in there? Not vape pens, the little grabber, the grabber leaf, little jars, the Fonto shit. But yeah, man. Now this is the scary part riding home with this shit. I don't know. I'm a little scared to drive with this bitch. Let's go. Another day in the motherfucking life. It's Sunday night. I've been with my son all weekend. My energy is. But let's go. Make sure that shit don't move, bro, please. So y'all know y'all don't see me drive with 4 or 5, 6 jet skis, but this shit to me is different because it's taller. The weight is like off. This fucking car was bouncing after you hit 60 on the highway. But wish me luck. The fucking lights are not turning on. Alright. Okay. Better work. No, it's not working. Hell no. Can't get on the highway like that. Hazards work. Whatever, I know that the brake lights work. That's all that matters. But yeah, let me show y'all the machine right quick. Got the double whammy with the extension. So we could put vapes, USBs, a bunch of shit. Papers, wraps, vape pens, a little bit of everything. I'm excited. Let's go. And I'm gonna wrap that shit. That shit ain't gonna look like that. We fucking made it. And now it's a mission to bring up. It's heavy as hell. Somebody YouTube a video on how to bring a vending machine up the stairs. Let's see if some people could thought of a smarter way. He has to tilt it through the door. We gotta go straight up. We can't take a break inside the door, because then we can't tilt it up the stairs. So we need everybody under the shit, dropping it, like you and Poe. Nico's the one that's been going to the gym like the most, so let him get the heaviest part. Cause he's been like prepping for this shit.
Bro, the way you look.
This is the first video on how to bring a vending machine up the stairs. The one has one on YouTube. We're making one.
Lift.
Alright, so try it out with me.
Is that heavy? Take a break.
Going back?
How many steps? Like 5 steps?
Hell no. Hold on. It ain't gonna hit the door, is it?
Nah, we
We're
good.
good back here. We gotta get down.
Just
What?
Let me know when you're ready.
Hold on.
Cause you still got it on the dolly, right?
I'm gonna stop
Yeah,
filming
that's
because I'm gonna have to get up in there. And I got a low battery. But y'all get the picture. I'm gonna show you when we make it. Halfway at least.
Sit down.
So, bringing up the machine was unsuccessful. Tomorrow, I'm gonna get another dolly because that's not kicking it. And we'll figure it out tomorrow. That was unsuccessful. Video.
First thing I got, see,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
just tweaking with some of the color. Yeah, just testing out the clips and seeing like what look I'm gonna have for each scene. So I'm just getting the structure of everything
Yeah, like the color.
right.
Yeah.
Then I have up in the effects panel something from a YouTuber, Tiny Tapes, fast movement. It just it gives like transitions.
One eternity later.
Hey, make sure don't let.
Cause he's the biggest one, bro.
Like 6 of us
You got
here
the
and
steel
then like
toes.
two.
Somebody gotta get behind him and hold his back.
Alright, I'm gonna film you some video after the story.
Kyle, get behind AJ and hold his waist.
Waist trainer. Waist trainer.
AJ, come on, put the strap on. I mean, pass the straps.
Whoa.
Here's what, man. This nigga here's a tripping today, man. You was just good yesterday, bro. Why you tripping today?
Fool, you got the straps, fool.
Hey, nah, but for real though, hey, somebody hold the vending machine so it don't tilt over that edge.
Do your thing.
I need to get the bottom up on
Do your thing, 21.
All right, today we got more manpower,
Yeah, as much as it
which is
comes.
not gonna really help because
Right, no space.
nobody could fit up under this
Anybody filming from
bitch.
that side?
Yeah.
Alright, work.
You guys are filming AJ from both sides with a strap on?
Oh shit.
You good? You good? You good?
Shoot the bottom. Damaging the bottom.
Nah, that was a car reader.
Oh, that was a card reader. Don't be fucking with my card reader. You already scratched that shit, dude.
Hey, you gotta have the vending machine have character. Look like it's been through
Guys,
something.
anybody know about
Bro, why y'all scratch my goddamn card reader, fool?
Why? What's the
What?
How much does that? 600.
600 pounds. Oh, the little part in the bottom, it says only 200. That shit's gonna snap.
Don't do it.
3:28 a.m.
Drilling this fucking wall. Drill bit because the other one was too big. I'm really fucking up the last time.
Sure. Inside of here is alright.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's cold in there.
You can feel it at the
Bottles.
bottom,
Yeah. Yes, sir. Took a minute. A lot of work. Because the drill's not the strongest, but we got it open, motherfucker. Now I gotta get this one open. I guess when I'm drilling, I'm gonna bring you some coins so you can try this shit. I'll show you how clean this bitch is. This bitch is like this. Everything is clean. Coins. Little car machine right here. A little dusty, but everything's really clean. Well taken care of machine. I think I came up with this one. I can't test it like with the dollars and shit till there was change in the machine.
Oh, you getting it?
Careful, bro.
I'm getting it, man. He's from Chicago, so
Break into anything.
breaking into anything. That's what you grow up doing.
For Chicago, nigga.
You know if any of these other batteries are charging?
Why I died?
Yeah, well, it's dying on me.
You know what you gotta do is put it to charge while you fuck with the screwdriver.
The things in your office or not?
Yeah, should be against the wall. Connected.
What coin you putting in now?
Dimes and quarters, because I guess there's a second quarter holder.
Okay.
And just some extra.
And is that just by size, or does it say?
It says it.
Oh, it
This
says
also is by size.
Oh yeah, it says it right there.
Right here, this machine is a
25, 10, 25.
this shit organizes it on its own.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's just
You need to load
to
it.
that hole right there is a mission. It's a little easier right here.
Okay, okay. Oh shit! So that shit was here.
Yes, smart ass. Why would it be here? Nico's a little slow. In the studio, we call him white girl. When I'm out, white girl. He's a blonde girl.
No, I'm
Blondie.
saying.
He's a bimbo.
Bro, stop,
Airhead.
bro.
It's okay. That's what happens when you smoke weed, kids. Don't do this at home.
The beautiful process of loading coins.
It's actually a little peaceful. But I feel like I could make you do it, but I feel like you're gonna put the wrong coins and you're gonna just start trying to get one out. Because that's a Nico thing to do.
What you doing over here, man? You jamming this shit?
Stealing
In
cars.
the machine with the screwdriver.
This little bitch likes it rough.
Hayes likes to get me high as hell and then calm me down.
That's fucked up. You blame it on me. He smokes himself dumb.
Nah, that was cool before the day. That boy got the za.
The boy got the za.
Hey, look at this hole though. We need to figure out a way to change that. Like, what is she holding?
Right here. Back here.
She's literally
Oh, no,
holding a
damn,
green
you gotta
circle,
open
bro.
up
What
the
the
whole
fuck is that?
fucking-
Like, that shit don't even look like a green apple. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, you gotta take this whole little plaque off.
That bitch
Not
got a-
that much, you just
Bitch
gotta.
got a green ball in her hand.
You know who's gonna get a picture there?
That'd be hard.
Slimy's face is gonna be right there.
Yeah,
Slimy sitting down right there.
Yeah, Slimy sitting around a bunch of snacks.
That'll be cool.
Bro, honestly, like, I feel like
This is life changing. Like you guys are just gonna eat more junk food.
it's gonna make so much bread.
You bang it straight
You
in.
go put your fucking pinky in there and twist that shit open for it.
Well, you got that cocaine now.
If this bitch, I don't do no coke. If that screwdriver can't do it, my pinky will definitely won't do anything.
Well,
But anything I got
I
iron
hope a
pinky.
girl's not watching this.
Hey, bro, that
Be
boy
like,
got
"Yo,
the cabanas.
a girl watching this, she's gonna be like, man, that nigga's finger game is wild.
Man,
Nigga can't finger a bitch with the pinks.
oh, you got it? Damn, you didn't
Let's
get
go, big dog.
big dog Dom. That's why they call him Dom, because he's a big dog Dom.
Big dog Dom.
You can't say Dom on an airplane.
You can't say dog without Dom.
The Dom.
You can't say Dom without Dom. He is the Dom dog.
Yo, fuck around and get Dom.
Fuck around, get dogged.
No, Dom, man, like a bomb, dom.
Bong dong.
Bomb, dom.
Bong
Say
bong.
Dom on an airplane. Seriously, you'll get in trouble.
Hey, you can't say Dom on the airplane. Dom.
Gotta wear hats and shit when I get on.
That should be his drop. You get the nigga Ben Stiller from, we can't say bomb on an airplane. Bomb. But instead you just remix it with the dom.
Dom. What if this was like life or death right now, nigga? You're gonna have to group that up.
Depends on how much time they give
I'm
me.
almost done with the coin shit, bro. Once I'm done, the muscle coming. I got like, Dom's the one that pried this one open.
Yeah.
I break into all the rooms in the studio, unfortunately. Take care of business. That's fucked up, right?
You really do.
You put a camera on the little safe now.
Be safe in the safe house.
I break into the studio for the
y'all
studio.
don't know, Dom is the one that's in charge of hiring people and firing people. And
Powerful.
let me let y'all an inside secret. He lives with 2 people he fired.
This nigga's fine, bro.
That's just crazy. Like, how could you live with these?
He doesn't live with 2 people. He lives with 1 person. He fired.
Well, the other one moved because they're like, yo, this nigga fired me. Fuck that. I'm not living with him. Fuck him. He left.
Damn.
He even left Miami. He's like, yo, I can't believe my boy got me the job and fired me. And I live with him. Nah, but that's a lot of opportunity.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. This nigga is just funny, bro.
But there's facts, though. That nigga Dom brought him from his job, which I love Nate. It's just the story sounds funny.
No, yeah, when you put it that way, that sounds fucking like Dom is a
Like, yo,
like a
let me get you hired over here. Alright, I'm gonna also be the same guy that's gonna fire you. Don't worry, I'll see you home later. Nigga, you just fired me. It doesn't matter, I'm gonna see you in the living room later. You get it? It's funny, right? It's Nate, it's Juice, if you're watching this, you gotta admit it's funny. Nate's probably like, man, I hate Dom, don't worry about it.
Nah, Nate loves Dom. But everybody loves Dom. Dom is a real nigga. Bro, you gotta bleep how when I say it. Bro.
Low key. Fired him.
I don't think it was low key.
And you know what?
Shit?
I didn't even approve.
Wait, how'd you do that shit?
So
I wanted to see. We didn't see it on the vlog.
Alright. If this is beeping, that means if A is beeping, that's because there's a jam on
A is red.
section A right here, which is called the discriminalizer, which basically discriminalizes which coin.
Is what?
It's like prejudice. It picks what coin it is and it sets it where it goes, because not all coins are equal. And then the B right here,
That is true.
the B, the camera's gonna be like that. B is for section here, there's the coin collection. So if it's blinking, that means that there's a jam or something's going on down here. If this one's blinking, it's because there's a jam or something going on here. If they're not blinking, that means we're ready to fucking roll. And here's where we put in, you know, the guapola, man. The guapola. Which I'm guessing only $1. Fuck fives. Fives too? Where the fuck do I put the fives in?
They ain't get no $5 change. That's
Is there a blue box there?
They
Oh
gave
yeah.
$5 change. They're getting like $4 change.
Oh yeah, the one on top, one on the bottom. What? No way. I don't know. I'm gonna double check and look at this shit online. Probably right here. We'll figure it out. About to watch a video and I'll tune back again. Fucking done tired. I'm out, y'all. Peace. I'll put those tools away or something in the box, right? Vending machine was a success. Everything worked. Ready to go home sweet. I'll load that bitch up tomorrow. It's the end of this video.